Hello guys, this is Kanal, and you are watching Ku2 the YouTube channel. So, in this video we will see that how to become game developer. Let's start. What is a game developer? A game developer works on the production and development of video games. Game developers work in various fields, including programming, design, art, animation, and audio production. What does a game developer do? The responsibilities of a game developer vary based on the size of the production studio and its function within the team. Some frequent tasks include 1. Game mechanics design and implementation. 2. Collaborating with game designers. 3. Building levels and environments. 4. Debugging and testing. 5. Improving game performance. 6. Keeping up with industry trends. 7. Sound and visual effects integration. How to become a game developer. Becoming a game developer requires a combination of technical abilities, creativity, and a love of gaming. Following are the steps you can take to begin a career in game development. 1. Create a good foundation in computer programming. Game development necessitates a basic understanding of programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, and Java, as well as even HTML and CSS. So learning to code is important. 2. Learn about game engines. Become familiar with well-known game engines, such as Unity and Unreal Engine, which many game developers use to produce and publish games. 3. Work on personal projects. To develop experience and confidence, you can practice by building small games on your own and gradually increasing the complexity of your projects. 4. Make a portfolio. Make a portfolio of your work to show potential employers your talents and initiatives. 5. Get involved in the game development community. Participate in the game creation community by joining online forums, attending game development events, and networking with other game developers to learn from their experiences and create industry connections. 6. Find a career in the game development industry. Once you have a good portfolio and practical experience, you may begin looking for game development jobs. You might start as a junior developer or intern and work your way up the ranks. Game developer qualifications. Becoming a game developer demands hard work and dedication, but it can be a rewarding and enjoyable career for people with a passion for gaming and skill in programming. To become a game developer, there are some requirements that can help you get a position in the field. 1. Strong programming skills. 2. Knowledge of game engines. 3. Portfolio of game development projects. 4. Understanding game development principles. 5. Communication skills. 6. Creativity. 7. Passion for gaming. Conclusion. Game creation is a rewarding and challenging professional path that requires a unique blend of creativity, technical skills, and business knowledge. The industry continuously changes, and remaining current on the latest technologies, trends, and player expectations is essential for success. A career in game development may be the perfect choice for you if you have a passion for games, a desire to create and innovate, and the skills and determination to succeed.